Good morning student. This is class 10th math and today's thought is the only way to do the mathematics is the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Means if you want to make a perfection in a mathematics, then you have to do lot of practice in a mathematics. Now today's date is this is 10th of July 2021. It is exercise 6.2 from coordinate geometry. It is question number 16. This is prove that 2a, 4a and 2a, 6a and 2a plus a root 3, 5a are the vertices of equilateral triangle. You need to prove that the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. You have given 3 points and you need to prove that they are vertices of equilateral triangle. Suppose it is point A whose coordinate is 2a, 4a and this is point B and its point is 2a, 6a. This is point C and its coordinate is this coordinate is 2a plus a root 3, 5. So firstly in the solution, we need to let these point, let A 2a, 4a, B 2a, 6a and C this is 2a plus a root 3, 5a are the vertices of a triangle. Are the vertices of a triangle. Student, if you need to prove that they are equilateral, so firstly we need to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. You know that the property of an equilateral triangle is that the all sides of the equilateral triangle are equal and also all angles are equal to 60 degrees. But here we only to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So we need to find out the value of AB. How can we find out the value of AB? Using the distance formula. AB means the distance between A and B. BC means the distance between B and C. And AC means the distance between A and C. So firstly, we need to find out the value of AB. This is distance between A and B. Using the distance formula, here A is equal to 2a, 4a and B is equal to 2a, 6a. Then here x1 is equal to 2a minus 2a and y1 is equal to 4a. x2 is equal to 2a and y2 is equal to 6a. Using the distance formula, you know that distance formula. This is d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole half square, or you can also write down x1 minus x2 whole half square plus y2 minus y1 whole half square. Using this formula. Here the value of AB is equal to this is x1 is equal to 2a. You know that x1 means the value of a base sum and y means the value of ordinate. So x1 is equal to 2a minus x2 is also equal to 2a. So it is 2a minus 2a whole half square. Now this is when you are using x1 minus x2, then you have to use y1 minus y2 whole half square. Now y1 is equal to, the value of y1 is equal to 4a and the value of y2 is equal to 6a. So it is 4a minus 6a whole half square. Here the student you will get 2a minus 2a cancel each other. So its value is 0 whole square gives you 0. Now this one is equal to 0 plus 4a minus 6a gives you minus 2a whole half square. You know that if you are squaring the negative sign, it became in a positive. So it is plus 4a square. This became under root 4a square. And its under root is equal to 2a, and you have to write down its unit as unit. This is 2a unit. The value of AB is now 2a unit. Similarly, we need to find the value of BC using the distance formula. The value of BC is again using the distance formula. This is under root x1 minus x2 whole half square plus y1 minus y2 whole half square. Here the value of BC means the distance between B and C. Here x1 is equal to 2a, x2 is equal to 2a plus a root 3. So it became 2a minus x1 minus x2. If you are taking the minus, then this one is minus 2a, and it also became minus because plus minus gives you minus. So be focused on this point. This is minus a root 3 whole half square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Y1 is equal to 6a and y2 is equal to 5a whole half square. Here student 2a plus 2a minus 2a cancel each other. This one became minus a root 3 whole half square, and it is 6a minus 5a gives you a whole half square. So the value of this one is equal to under root 3 whole half square gives you 3. And minus a square gives you a square. So it is 3a square plus a square. Now 3a square plus a square gives you 4a square under root 4a square. This is under root 4a square. And its value is 2a unit also. Yes student, you see that the value of AB is equal to BC. Now we need to find out the value of Now we need to find out the value of CA. CA means CA, the distance between C and A. Here the point C is 2a plus a root 3 comma 5a, and the point of A is 2a comma 4a. Again using the distance formula, this is CA is equal to under root. This is x1 means 2a plus a root 3 minus 2a whole half square. It is x1 and it is x2. So it is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole half square. y1 minus y2 whole half square. y1 means 5a minus 4a whole half square. Here student you will get 2a plus and 2a minus cancel out. This is a root 3 whole half square plus 5a minus 4a gives you a square. Means this is 3a square plus a square gives you root 4a square. This is also equal to 2a unit. Hence student you will see that the value of AB is equal to the value of BC is equal to the value of CA. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A unit. Therefore it is a equilateral triangle. hence fruit. So student, you have to practice on the basis of this type of a question. Only you have to use the distance formula. Thank you. हो गया ना बेटा?